Good morning, students. Today we will perform one more experiment in our electrical machine 1 lab on a 3-phase induction motor, that is determination of equivalent circuit and performance evaluation of a 3-phase induction motor by conducting open circuit and short circuit test. This open circuit and short circuit test is also called as no load test and block rotor test. The main aim of the experiment is to conduct open circuit test and block rotor test on a 3-phase induction motor and obtain the equivalent circuit of the induction motor and thus evaluate its performance by analytical method. So this is what the overall circuit diagram which we use to do the conduction for no load test of a 3-phase induction motor. Even the block rotor test of a 3-phase induction motor is having the same circuit diagram, unless that we are blocking the rotor against rotation in this particular block rotor test. So here also we'll be having, like in case of a load test, we'll be having a 3-phase supply auto transformer. Then the output of the auto transformer are given to the 2 wattmeters to measure the power, and then it is applied to the stator terminal of a 3-phase induction motor. Now first we will do the series connection. From R phase it should be given to M terminal of the wattmeter. Again L should goes to the first terminal of the stator. Again the second terminal of the stator should come back to the Y phase through ammeter. Again the B phase should goes to the one more wattmeter M terminal. Again L should goes to the third terminal of a stator. Here we should take care that the V and V terminals of 2 wattmeters should be shorted. Again the one more terminal, that junction should come back to the second terminal of the stator. Again we will be having a brake drum here. Anyhow, as we are doing here no load test on a 3-phase induction motor, and we are not applying any load. It is just run with a rated voltage, and the corresponding no load readings of voltage, current and power are noted down. This is the overall setup what we used to use for no load test of a 3-phase induction motor. The 3-phase induction motor is squirrel cage induction motor with 5 HP and 415 volt. So here also we'll be using a 3-phase auto transformer. The input output terminals are shown here. The input terminal should be excited by means of a mains here. Again from that mains, so RYB terminals are connected to input terminal of the auto transformer. Then output terminal of 3 auto transformer, 3 terminals should be connected to, given to the stator terminal of a 3-phase induction motor. Okay, let's see how exactly the connection goes. From mains, RYB terminals are connected to auto transformer. So respective colored wires you can use to do this connection. RYB should be connected to the input terminals of RYB of a auto transformer. RYB. Again the output RYB, the output of RYB should be taken from the 3-phase auto transformer, and these 3 terminals are given to the multimeter. So this is a multifunctional meter where exactly the line voltage, phase voltage, current, power and power factor with which the machine is running can be read by this multimeter. It is also having 3 terminals RYB and output terminals RYB. The output from auto transformer should be given to RYB terminals of a multimeter. Again here we are using delta connected 3-phase induction motor. That R should be given to one terminal, first terminal, then second terminal, Y phase, again B phase. So it is still not yet delta connected. To make it as delta, all the terminals should be shorted here. Then only it will become a delta connected stator of a 3-phase induction motor. So this is what the overall circuit connection diagram of a setup which is used to do the no load test on a 3-phase induction motor. Even the block rotor test, the same connection holds good, unless here in case of a block rotor test we will be blocking the rotor and noting down the short circuit voltage, current and power which is consumed by the 3-phase induction motor. Now let's see how exactly the conduction goes.